Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel an Airbnb reservation on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap on trips or past trips. This will show all your past and upcoming bookings. Find the reservation you want to cancel and tap on it. Once your reservation details open, scroll down and tap cancel reservation. Airbnb will ask you to confirm and may also show the cancellation policy for the listing. Next, you will need to choose a reason for cancelling. Pick the option that's fit based, then tap continue. Before finalizing, Airbnb will show you how much refund you will get based on the host cancellation policy. Read the details, then tap cancel. You will see a confirmation screen. Once it cancelled, you will also get a cancellation email and refund info sent to your inbox. And that's all. You have successfully cancelled your Airbnb reservation using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.